for another Power Pack training. All right, guys, grab your phones. Go get on Craigslist. Go get on Yelp. It's time to make cold calls and make some money. I want you guys to cold call with me today, okay? It's time to get you guys to $10,000 a month, all right? And you're not going to get the $10,000 a month sitting around watching YouTube videos all day, not investing in yourself, not getting the courses, not getting the books, and doing what's necessary to get to $10,000 a month. The fastest way to get to $10,000 a month is to take action, okay? And so we're going to take action today, okay? I want you guys to make calls with me today, all right? Pause the video, go get your cell phone, okay? Grab your cell phone, all right? And if you haven't got the ICP course, get it so you can print the scripts, you can print the rebuttals so you'll know what to say, and we're finna get a client, okay? We're gonna make $10,000 a month. You guys with me? You wanna do this? We're gonna do it right now together as a team, all right? So pause the video, go get your phone, all right? And make calls along with me, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna jump on the list, I'm gonna find a couple business owners to call, all right? And I'm gonna close them. I'm gonna set an appointment, okay? So all we're gonna do, ladies and gentlemen, is we're gonna call the business owner, okay? We're gonna call them, then we're gonna book an appointment, all right? And then once we book the appointment, we're gonna do the close, all right? That's all we do. We make calls, we book the appointment, all right? We're gonna send them some information, all right? And if you get the course, you have an opportunity to get the presentation so that you can send to them. And then we're gonna set a follow-up, all right? We're gonna follow up once we call them, set the appointment, and then we're gonna follow up here, all right? Follow up and close, basically, all right? Follow up and close, all right? Plain and simple. Let me make this a little better, all right? So we're gonna follow up, and then we're gonna close them, all right? And it's simple. There's about 10 questions, all right, that I ask business owners, all right, when I do my follow-up, okay? So let's do this, all right? Let's jump on this phone. Let's make some calls. And then before you do it, okay, here's what I want you guys to do, all right? Take a deep breath. A lot of you guys are going to have anxieties and phobias as you prepare to do this, all right? You're going to have anxieties. Your mind is going to start telling you, you can't do it, but I'm going to tell you you can because you're going to do it along with me, and I'm going to make it simple, all right? Prepare. People may say no, all right? But we don't care about that. People may say no. In fact, I may tell some people no, okay? Because I'm going to qualify. I might tell some people no, all right? Keep that in mind. I may tell some people no also, all right? I'm looking for qualified business owners, okay? Plain and simple. And if they're not qualified, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to work with them. Plain and simple. I'm not going to work with them, okay? So let's do this. Let's go into here. Let's make some calls. Let's have a little fun. And like I said, it's all about mindset. Don't be afraid. When your mind starts telling you that you can't do it, or they're going to tell you no, we dealt with that last week about the fear of rejection. Don't worry about it. Don't sweat it. You just take action. When you take action, ladies and gentlemen, that removes all fears and phobias and anxieties and all that type of stuff that you are going through, okay? Keep going, plain and simple. Let's do it.
Hello?
Yeah, is this the junk hauler?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, quick question for you.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I was wondering, are you guys interested in generating some junk hauling jobs for your business?
I think I talked to you already.
What's your name?
3 days ago. It's Marlon.
I don't remember calling.
No, I did.
Yeah, because
I talked to you already.
Okay, and what did we talk about?
No, actually, I was telling you that I don't need any extra business because it'll be too much for me. This is a part-time gig for me.
Oh,
remember?
Okay, yeah. Okay, I remember. I'm sorry about that.
Uh-huh.
Okay, thanks, Marlon. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, I talked to that guy already. See, I don't even know. I'm so engaged, ladies and gentlemen. And another thing, I disqualified that guy. I forgot. I talked to him. But here's the interesting thing, ladies and gentlemen. I'm looking for people that can take a lot of business. Okay, I'm not looking for somebody that's doing this business on a part-time basis. I want somebody that can handle, 5, 6, 7 calls a day. And I guess this gentleman couldn't do that. So let's keep going. Let me see here. All right, let's go. And when you're engaged, ladies and gentlemen, something about it. You just
Hello, Mr. Brown speaking.
Hey, Daryl, quick question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I was wondering, are you guys interested in generating some handyman jobs for your business?
No, we're good, thank you.
Well, Daryl, many people I speak with, they tell me the same thing you did before they found out what we do. Now, are you guys only using Craigslist, or do you do other stuff to get jobs?
I'm a one-man band, and I use Craigslist and word of mouth mostly. So yeah.
Okay. Well,
now,
here's my thing. Here's my thing, Marlon. I don't want to. I'm not here to sell you anything. Relax, okay? I just want to shoot you over an email. Okay. I've been doing social media for about 7 years. My team and I are very good at it. And we work with a few other companies, and we get them anywhere from 3 to 5 calls a day. I just wanted to send you some information so you could take a look, and if it makes sense to you, we can partner up, and I can take the handyman business to the next level. And on top of that, I can get you a better quality job than the ones you're getting on Craigslist, because I know a lot of times they are looking for, the cheapest type of deal, okay? So if I can I send you some information, and then we can kind of take it from there? I can follow with you Monday.
no, I'm good, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna move on to the next one. He was just a little one-man band. I tried to hit him and spin him. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. And let's go here. Let's go here. Now, what happens with most of you guys when somebody tells you no? Okay, remember what I talk about rejection is not real. It's just a simple word. You guys get deflated and you feel defeated. But you keep going. Simple. Teaching you guys the game.
Jim's a steamer.
Hey, quick question for you.
Sure.
Yeah, I was wondering, are you guys interested in generating some carpet cleaning jobs for your business?
Which company?
Our company is RMI Worldwide, and we specialize in social media. We've been doing it for 7 years. We're very good at it, and we work with a few other carpet cleaners, and we get them anywhere from 3 to 4 jobs a day. And I wanted to shoot you an email so you guys can take a look and see if we could possibly do business together.
Okay, yeah, you can do that, and if you're interested, we'll let you know.
Yeah, okay. And then what's your first name?
I can give you my email.
Okay. And what's your name?
Yeah, Angela.
Angela. My name is Maurice, Angela. And then what is your best email address?
At hotmail.com.
And just a question for you, Angela. Do you guys only use Craigslist, or do you guys do anything outside of Craigslist to get customers?
Recently we don't use anything. Not even Craigslist.
Oh, yeah, because I found your ad on Craigslist. Somebody posted
your
ad
it might
on
be
Craigslist.
from previous. Yeah, maybe it was previously, but not recently. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes y'all post. Yeah, because it says Jimmy Steamer Carpet Cleaner. They actually posted your. It looks like you got a print ad or something out. They put on there. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
so
Jim's
it said
Steamer,
Jim
not
or
Jimmy.
Angela. Yeah, it said Jim or Angela for more details. Yeah, they got your ad there, and it was posted 13 minutes ago. So somebody posted it. So cool. Yeah, y'all just posted. So that's good because we can actually get you guys better quality jobs and leads. So I'm going to send you the email, and then can I follow up with you Monday morning or Monday evening, and we can kind of discuss everything?
Yeah, exactly. You can send me an email, and I will talk to Jim, and if there's anything, we will get back to you.
Yeah.
Or you can leave the phone number in your email. Just attach it.
Yeah, and then, But I'll always call out. I don't just leave it out there like that, Angela. That's not how I do
Sure.
business. I'm gonna
Yeah,
call you Monday.
If you want to call us Monday,
and then we can call.
Yeah, Monday evening it would be better because I'm busy all day.
Oh, no worries. So around like 5 or 6, is that fine?
That would be fine, yes.
Okay. All right, perfect, Angela. Thank you. I'll send over the information right away.
No
okay,
problem.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Okay, you're welcome. Bye-bye.
Booyah! So guys, that's how you do it. You keep going. All right. That's something that, most of you guys don't do when you're faced with adversity. In other words, people say no, people are negative on the phone and all type of crazy stuff like that, and not saying that they're interested. You keep going. It's all about mindset. And see, a lot of you guys want to make $10,000 a month, but you don't have the tough skin yet. You haven't. That's why I always encourage you guys to grow. Okay, you gotta grow, because if you don't grow and you stay the same, you're not gonna be able to take the rejection. See, when you gotta go, you're focused. You're not worried about what people are saying to you. Okay, you want to continually keep going, and the only way you're gonna continue to keep going, if you gotta go, you're growing, you're buying courses, you're reading every day, you're changing into a new person. You can't be the same. If you want different things and different results in your life, folks, you got to do something different. Okay, plain and simple. All right. So I want you guys to continue to make calls. Book anywhere from, this is just one appointment here. So you want to book anywhere from 2 to 3 appointments a day. All right. That's the goal. You want to book 2 to 3 appointments every day, Monday through Saturday, and you stick to it religiously until you get to $10,000 a month. People say, how long should I make cold calls? Until you hit your goal, until you get a client, until you're making the money. You know what I mean? I want you guys to make money. That's what I want you guys to make. And the only way you're going to make money is if you make calls, you book appointments, and you close. Now, so what's going to happen here, ladies and gentlemen, is that I talked to old Angela, okay? I'm going to send her the information, okay? And then notice I booked the appointment to follow up Monday, okay? So let's look at this process. Maurice called. He got some no's, okay, along the way. But then he booked an appointment. You guys see that? I just booked an appointment. Now, I'm going to send her the details, the presentation. Okay, a lot of you go, Maurice, I don't have a presentation. Click the link in the description and get it, or create your own. Take 5 or 10 minutes, put together some simple slides. You tell them who you are, how long you've been doing SMMA, and how you can generate leads and why they need social media. That's it, okay? You just put those slides together and you can do a simple PowerPoint or keynote, okay? About 10, 15 minutes in length, all right? That's it if you don't want to buy a presentation that I created for you, okay? But I'm going to send them that, and then I'm following up, and then I'm closing. That's it. Now, here's the thing. I might not close them. They may not want to do it. They may not can afford my services. So what? Guess what I'm going to do, folks? I'm going to repeat the process. What most of you guys do, and then here's another thing, okay? A lot of you guys are getting upset because business owners aren't watching your presentation. To be honest with you, most of them are not. 90% won't watch it, okay? Big deal, all right? If they don't watch it, you say, John, you know what? I know you're busy. Let me just explain how the program works, find out what your needs are, give you a quote, and let's take it from there, okay? That's all I really want to do anyway. Okay, but I want to send them the information. All right. So anyway, even if they don't close, once again, folks, I'm going to repeat the process, because here's the thing. If I follow up with 10 owners, okay, I already know, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to close 50 to 60%. Okay. And if I close 50 to 60%, ladies and gentlemen, I already know that I'm going to be pulling in an additional anywhere from, half of those, that's 5, at an average of about 3. I know I'm be looking at about $15,000 a month worth of business. So that's the power of cold calling. Most people don't want to do it, but it works and it's very effective. So don't get discouraged when you're making calls if they say they're not interested, okay? Don't get discouraged if you follow up and they're a no-show, okay? This happens to you guys. And you're starting to cry. Don't cry. This stuff happens, okay? Don't worry about no-shows. And don't worry about everyone not signing up, okay? You're going to have people to say no in the close, all right? And that's fine. You should be closing if you're new, okay? Your percentages might not be as high as mine, but you should be closing a minimum of 20%. So imagine this. You follow up with 10 business owners and you only close 2 deals at a minimum of $2,000 a month, okay? That's 4 G's. You repeat the process for 12 months, ladies and gentlemen, you're making multiple 6 figures, okay? So get out there and make some calls, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.